Part list. How to assemble. Put the fire pit based on an open field far away from flammable items. Insert the fire pit body onto the base. Notice that the concave circle of the fire pit body is located at the bottom as the direction shown. Place the coal tray inside the fire pit. Notice that the coal tray needs to be put down at the bottom of the base. Finally, cover the top ring as the direction shown. Now you can put the coals or wood into the fire pit and light a fire to enjoy the warmth of the fire. How to store. After the fire pit cooled down completely, remove the top ring and fire pit body. Empty and clean the coal tray, then store the fire pit into the carry bag. Note: rather pour some water over the pieces of wood or coals to make sure that they won't light up again. First, place the base into the carry bag. Flip the fire pit body upside down to fully insert into the base. Place the coal tray inside. Cover the top ring in the opposite direction from before. Finally, zip up and you can take it with you.